Oh, it's on Yamuna's page, yeah. It's text 47. Evam Bhagavata Krishna. Labda mana mahatmana atmana menire striram maninyo arikam bhuvi. The gopis become proud of themselves for getting such special attention from Krishna. So each of the gopis was thinking, I am the best lady in the world. Prabhupada's translation. The gopis, after walking and moving and associating, being with Krishna in such an intimate, romantic way, the gopis start feeling very proud. He says the same thing. He said they're the most fortunate women in the universe, being favored by the company of Krishna. Certainly if someone is favored by the company of a great personality, they feel very fortunate. In other words, if some rich person or a famous person or high spiritual person favors you or recognizes you or gives you their time or their friendship, you feel very fortunate.